Friends, we are at the home page of National Digital Library of India. National Digital Library of India is developed by Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and it is sponsored by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Lots of e-content are available on National Digital Library of India platform, and to access that e-content we need to register, and for that we will go to login. Those who have already registered can enter their email ID, password, retype the text which is given and log in, and those who are new will click on register. This is the registration form. You have to fill all the information which is required by these fields. The most important is your email address. You have to give that email address which is active, because it will be your future login ID for accessing the content of National Digital Library, and you will get the verification link for this registration on this email ID only. After filling the form, you have to click on this checkbox and click on sign up. Once you sign up, you will get the email from NDLI. So check your email box, click on the mail received by NDLI, and whatever link is given, you have to click that link, verification link, and you will get the message that you have successfully registered. So friends, now you are registered, so we can use the e-content of National Digital Library. But in case you do not receive the verification link, then what to do? Again we will go to login. We have to click on this account recovery. Give your email address again and submit. Once you submit, again you will get email. Check your email box, click on that verification link. If you want to change your password, you can do that also, and after that you will get the message that you are successfully registered. Okay, I have already registered, so what we will do, we will go to login, enter your email ID, password, retype the text which is given, and login. You can see here I have logged in as a Parita Desai. So friends, now we can access the e-content of National Digital Library. First we will see how to browse. You can browse the content by type, by subject, by source, by learning resource. Let's see one by one. What is by type? It means you can browse the content in text form, video, image, audio, presentation, simulation, application and animation. Click on text. Here you can see that 4.70 crores results are there, and we don't have time to go through all the results. So what we will do, we will narrow down our search. How we can do it? We can use the filters given on this left hand side. Access restrictions. These are the accessibility symbols. Okay, it will help you whether this information is available in open or subscribed or NDLI license or limited or authorized. Here also you can see that it is limited, it is limited, it is subscribed. So what we will do? We will click on open. We want to access only open resources. Then if you know the author, you can select. If you don't know, leave it. Subject category, you can select. Let's select computer science. So all the computer science resources will be available here. So our research has come down to what? 67.58 lakhs. Educational degrees you can select. If you want to select, you select, otherwise leave it. Difficulty level, medium, easy. Let's medium. Educational level. Why you have to select educational level? Because the resources of NDLI is available from KG to PG. So you have to select your educational level. Select UG, PG. File format you can select, in which format you want. Language you can select. Suppose we will select only English. Now we will select learning resource type. Suppose we want thesis. So we will select thesis. So these are the theses available. If you want to select a source, click on source, means what? From which university you want to access, otherwise leave it. So these are the theses available on computer science. Let's select performance measurement and analysis of PC based cluster server. Click on it. So here you can see the full thesis is available of 323 page. We have seen how to access by text. Now we will see videos. Click on video. These are the videos available on NDLI. Now if we want to watch the video of, say, Khan Academy, select Khan Academy from the source. We want to see the motor controller connections. Click on it.
So in this video, we're going to show you how to connect the power wires from the motor controller to the Arduino and the control wires from the motor controller to the Arduino. So we're connecting the red wire to the voltage in. That's the red wire goes to the VIN, and the black wire is going to go to the.
So friends, this is the video of Khan Academy. You can share it now. We will click on images. We want to search the images from NDLI. Suppose we want to search the image of old building at 210. Wow, interesting. Good. So friends, this way we can find the images also. Now we will see audio contents. Click on audio. Suppose if you want to hear the audio content of, let's select MIT OpenCourseware. So audio content which are contributed by MIT Open Software OpenCourseware will be available here. Let's select motivation and emotion. Download.
The following content is provided by MIT OpenCourseware under a Creative Commons license. Additional information about our license and MIT OpenCourseware in general is available at ocw.mit.edu.
Okay, what I want to do for the first couple of minutes of today's lecture, well, I guess looking at the handout, what I want to do is play fill in the blank with this great picture of a neuron. I got to talk about the gross structure of the brain last time, but I didn't get to say anything about a neuron.
So friends, this way what we were doing, we were listening the audio lecture prepared by MIT Courseware on the topic motivation and emotion. Now let's browse the content by presentation. Here also we will select one source. Take an example of Science Super Course. Okay, so whatever the presentations prepared by Science Super Course are available here. You can click on any topic. Let's select Middle English Syntax. This is the PPT on Middle English Syntax and Vocabulary. You can go through it. So in this way, friends, you can access number of PPTs from NDLI platform. Now let's click on simulation. Friends, this option is very much useful for the small kids. Let's select on, take the big one.
Take the big one. Right?
So friends, how useful this is for the small kids? Very much, no? So you can watch the simulation videos on NDLI also. Now click on application. Friends, here we will get application based content also. So let's click on Amazing ClassPass. Click on this link. So this is the content of Amazing ClassPass based on application. Now we will see the animation. Animated videos enhance the creativity in learners and motivate them to explore complex dimensions of knowledge. So let's see animated video. Click on this. This is the animated video on pair of linear equations in two variables. You can click on this.
Pair of linear equations in two variables, part 1. Hey, do you know yesterday was my birthday? I gave a treat to my friends at home. We ordered 10 pizzas and 5 burgers through online food delivery app. It cost me 800 rupees. After finishing,
So on NDLI you will get the animated videos also. It is very much useful for the students to understand a complex subjects. Now let's see how to browse by subject. Now it is very easy because we have understood the basic concept of NDLI. Majority of the subjects are covered under NDLI. You can choose any subject. Let's select social science. It is very broad subject, so we will narrow down by selecting second level. We can select economics. Further we can narrow down by selecting third level of subject. Let's select public finance. So here lots of information are available on public finance. Total results are 8,846, and that too we can narrow down by using the filters given on this left hand side. Here you can see one more filter is given, that is content type. Okay, so whatever the type of content are available you can select here. For public finance only the information is available in textual form. Now we will see how to browse by source. Sources are the contributors of National Digital Library of India. Various public and private institutions have contributed their content on NDLI platform. Here you can choose any one of the source which you would like to refer. You can see lots of sources are available. Lots. Suppose if you want to access the content of IIM Ahmedabad, which they have contributed on NDLI platform. So these are the 10,950 contents are contributed by the IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, and these are the filters which you can use and which you can narrow down based on your requirement. Now we will browse by learning resource type. What do you mean by learning resource type? These are the various formats of learning resources: audiobooks, book review, booklets, newspapers, calendars, collections. Lots of learning resource types are available. You can select any one. You can select, suppose you want the proceedings. Click on proceedings. Total 96,484 proceedings are available on NDLI, and that too you can narrow down based on your requirement using these filters. So now it is very easy for us to access any type of information in any form from any source and in any language also. So we have seen how to browse by type, by subject, by source and by learning resources. So now we are on the home page of National Digital Library of India. If you have a specific query, then no need to use the browse option. What we will do? We will search here only. Suppose I want to search information on marketing management. So friends, here again you can see that 3,69,976 results are there for marketing management. we don't have time to go through all these things. So what we do, we will use the filters given on left hand side. We know how to filter our research based on educational degree, educational level, language, resource type, even sources also. If we want content from specific source, that also we can select. Same on the right hand side, we can narrow down our search based on the content type also, that is text, presentation, audio, video, images, animation, simulation. If you want, suppose if you want video lectures on marketing management, so we will click on video. So 449 video lectures are available, and in that also, if you want video lectures of any specific source, that also you can select here. Suppose we want video lectures of NPTEL. So these are the videos on marketing management developed by NPTEL, that is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. We can select any video which we want. Let's select retail marketing management. Friends, here we can see various videos are available on different topics under marketing management. Play it.
Hello, welcome to the 7th week of this course Marketing Management 2, and last week we had been discussing marketing channels, distribution, and then we concluded with various issues relating to retail marketing. Now in this retail marketing management, there are a couple of other interesting.
So friends, here various videos are available on marketing management. Now suppose you want to search other content type on marketing management, then what you have to do? You have to click on all. What is this? If we click on all, then also we are getting only two options. Why? Because here we have chosen one source, that is NPTEL, and in NPTEL only two options are available. So what we have to do? First we have to cancel this option. So click on delete. So here we can see now all the options are available. You can select any one: text, presentation, audio, video, animation, simulation, and you know how to search, how to narrow down your results using various filters. We have seen how to browse, how to search a specific information. Now we will see how to conduct advanced search. Click on advanced search. Suppose I want question paper. You can select the source. You can select the educational level also. Suppose I want question papers of 11th, 12th. I want question paper of NCERT. language is okay, because there may be Hindi or English or Marathi paper. Question paper, search. Here you will get the question paper of 11th and 12th standard. You can click on any one of them. So these are the question paper of NCERT for the standard 11th and 12th. You can download also. So friends, we have seen how to access e-content of various topics from number of subjects in different languages and content type, and also from various sources. So let's make use of National Digital Library of India for developing our knowledge economy. Thank you very much.